this video will be talking about how to play stake in Michigan. So since Michigan is actually part of the United States and United States is under the countries that you cannot play at stake.com, you can see them right here. What we can do is we can install a VPN. Just head over and click onto the subscribe option. And then from in there, just try to connect to any other location other than US. So for example, let's head over and then use in here Germany. Let's click onto the sprint skirt. And then once it's been connected, you can head over right here again to stake.com and then refresh this site. So you can also connect to Philippines because Philippines can play it without any other requirements as well. So from in there, just click onto this verification for the human captcha, and then you should be able to be redirected to the stake.com. So here it is right here. So even though you are on Michigan, you should still be able to play stake using the BBN.